Hello guys, it's journalist Samuel Brand and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for your support. Now, Nation Media Group's NTV and Standard Media Group's KTN went off air Wednesday afternoon after officials from the Communications Authority of Kenya (CA) allegedly stormed the Limuru Signal Transmission Center, enforcing a controversial ban on live coverage of the ongoing June 25th demonstrations across the country. The move follows a directive issued earlier today by Communications Authority Director General David Mugonyi, ordering all television and radio stations to cease live broadcasts of the Gen Z-led protest, citing alleged violations of Kenya's constitution and broadcast laws. I quote, "The live coverage of the June 25th, 2025 demonstrations is contrary to Article 32, Section 2 and 34, Section 1 of the Constitution of Kenya and Section 461 of the Kenya Information and Communications Act." End of quote, stated the Communications Authority in a strongly worded directive. The authority warned of regulatory action against any media house defying the directive. Moments later, both NTV and KTN signals went dark in what appears to be a targeted enforcement against major broadcasters. The Kenya's Editors Guild, KEG, sharply condemned the directive, terming it legally and factually flawed. In a statement issued by KEG President Jubaida Kananu, the Guild accused the Communications Authority of violating press freedom and disregarding a 2023 High Court ruling which prohibited government interference in live broadcast. I quote, "By ignoring this ruling, the CA is actively undermining judicial authority and reopening the door to unconstitutional state census." End of quote, said Kananu. KEG emphasized that Article 33 and 34 protect freedom of expression and editorial independence, calling on media houses to resist intimidation and seek legal redress where necessary. The Law Society of Kenya, LCK, the Police Reforms Working Group, and the Kenya Medical Association joined KEG in censoring the CA's move. In a joint statement, the organizations warned that the blackout order contravenes Article 34 and standing court orders issued in November 2024, which declared prior state censorship illegal. Second, it threatens public safety, especially as emergency responders rely on real-time coverage for situational awareness. Third, chills civic freedoms and sets a dangerous precedent for misuse of state authority. I quote, "Live broadcasts serve a crucial role in democratic society. They deter the spread of misinformation and excessive use of force, ensuring transparency." End of quote, the statement read. The civil groups gave the Communications Authority until 4 p.m. East African time to rescind the directive, warning of imminent legal action. They also cautioned that any attempt to shut down internet services will breach conservatory court orders currently in effect. The blackout coincides with large-scale demonstrations in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret, and Nyeri, marking 1 year since the June 25th, 2024 anti-finance bill protests that left dozens dead and hundreds injured. This year's protests, largely organized by youth and student movements, call for police accountability, justice for victims, and broad democratic reforms. With major broadcasters silenced and the threat of further state action looming, civil society groups are warning that Kenya risks slipping into a media repression crisis not seen since the early 2000s. I quote, "During moments of civic unrest, the only crisis greater than the protest itself is the silencing of the voices that tell its story." End of quote, said KEG President Kananu. As a regional media platform committed to truth, transparency, and the public's right to know, Prime Africa joins calls for the immediate restoration of broadcast services and urges all stakeholders to uphold the Constitution and the rule of law. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share, and comment.